sheet pan roasted chicken. I have a lined cookie sheet with a bit of paper, and then I have red onions that I cut. Really important to note, I cut off the top part of the onion and I leave the root intact so that they stay in these beautiful segments that can kind of fan out. So you have these nice large chunks of onion. I have some red grapes. You can use green, any type that you want, and then some fresh rosemary. I don't know if you've heard of it, but this is like the greatest olive oil of all time.
Oh, look at you! Oh, that's my man!
And then a little bit of salt. I never use the little spoon that comes with it. It's always easier from the hand.
Yep,
nice, generous sprinkle over here.
Yep.
A little gets wasted, but that's okay. And then some pepper. It seriously could not be easier, and it's so beautiful to look at. So yeah, this is literally it. And so my oven is set at 450. I'm going to plop that in there. And then this is what they're going to look like after about 10 minutes. So we have a little bit of browning starting along the onions. The grapes have like starting to like really plump. They look like they're about to burst.
To burst and expand, right? And really develop their flavor. So gorgeous.
Totally. And then I have, can I hold this with one hand? I think I can. So basically I have full chicken thighs, skin on, very important, that I basically coated in a bit of salt, pepper, and Aleppo seasoning. You can literally use anything, like use this recipe as a canvas and just kind of like try it out with different spices that you have. Highly encouraged.
It's so important that you share that all of us, when we cook, we make recipes our own.
So basically I sear these on medium-high heat in a little bit of olive oil. I wanted to get it nice and brown. The Aleppo pepper got really nice and dark. The fat's starting to render along the sides, just a couple of minutes on each side. Put the chicken right on here, and then it goes back into the oven for about 20.
And all of those drippings are going to bleed into the whole marriage of flavor, right?
The pan juices that are going to be coming out of here are going to be out of this world. I'm not angry. I'm just very excited.
I know you are. I know you are.
Let me do a little close-up.
No, do that close-up, baby. Oh!
There are a lot of pan juices going on here.
Bravo!
And so the only thing, I literally do this with every single recipe and I just can't help myself. A fresh hit of lemon is everything. And okay, so I want to have a little PSA for juicing lemons. If you have a squeezer, that's really fine. But if you can't be bothered and you can't find it in your own kitchen, like me, I learned this at Pizza Bedia in Philly. I used to squeeze it in my hand, and then the little seeds would fall through because I have massive fingers. It's like a perfect cone. Like,
hello!
The thing is the best. It's like little tricks like that you learn that are just so mind-blowing.
Your girl Rachel's been doing that for over 25 years, bro.
Well, I've been doing it for all of 25 days, so...
Seriously, congratulations again on the book. It is available now, and let's do dinner. The food is gorgeous, my friend. You really did a beautiful job. Congratulations.